Yeah. Sounds bad, Betty. Come here, you. Yeah, good job, Booger. Was that fun?
Come on, Miles, come here.
Was that fun? Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy. All right, now it's Miles' turn again. Make sure Icky doesn't hit him. Miles! Here, stand right here. Spinny, you stand right here. That way, if Miles is gonna hit that, you can catch him. You're cute. Come here, you! You think if you spin him the other way, he'll fall in the other direction? Good job, you. Faster, Daddy, faster! Faster, Daddy, faster! Faster, Daddy, faster! Hold off, Daddy, hold off! These are britches. That's Daddy and Penny. Alright, run to the couch.
Good job, you made it.
Good job, Penny. You almost fell down, but you didn't. You gonna go with Daddy?